Hello everyone, I'm Kelvin and I'm going to unbox the Tissot PR 100. Okay, this is the company's logo throughout the years. Okay, this box. Okay, Tissot. Let's open it. Okay, so this is the Tissot PR. So I got the international warranty. It's bought on 13th of June 2020. So this is there are a few books here as shown. Okay, let's check for this kind of watch. PR 100. Tissot. Okay, let's check. Can I see it? It reads Tissot sapphire crystal, water resistant, 100 meter stainless steel. It is the Quartz movement from Swiss made. Okay, that's all for my unboxing.